G'day mate, Simon, VA7BIX. Alrighty guys, today I'm going to do a little video on the new series that I'm very excited about, and its acronym is RAS, and that stands for Rubbish Antenna Series. Because I realise I've been making rubbish antennas for several years now, and it truly is the pride and joy of my channel and what I do. The whole premise is, this is about basically when you've got nothing else. And what led me to this was my recent trip to Australia, where I went down for a month basically to my community where I grew up in the northeastern part of the state of Victoria, a town called Woohoooo, which was almost ravaged by bushfires. But the local communities of Ruffy, Terrup, Crichtons Creek, Longwood East, where I grew up, absolutely devastating. So I went and worked with an organisation called BlazeAid, and blazeaid.com.au. They're the most extraordinary NGO I've ever come across in my life. So look them up, guys. BlazeAid, you guys are absolutely amazing. And I'm not going to use any names of the farms out of respect and privacy, but the general rule of thumb is where I was working, pulling out fences, repairing fences, clearing trees off fence lines, all of that, there was zero to very little cell service. And it made me think, well, what do you do if you're out here and a bushfire happens? Oh, you get on the UHF radio and speak to somebody, one of the other BlazeAid members, whether it's Karen lying under the car in the 40-degree heat because it was so hot, or Wal over there on the other fence line who's 500 metres or a kilometre away. He's got no cell service either. And what do you do? So this brought me to this whole premise and this whole theory of, well, let's make an antenna series where basically you've got nothing. This is the absolute last line. I need to get out. I need to get on the air. What have I got? How can I make a contact? Possibly with people a few hundred kilometres away. And it led me to, hence, the Rubbish Antenna Series. And this has been absolutely amazing, and I'm really excited. I've been thinking about it a lot ever since. And I realised when I got back from Australia from the searing 40-degree heat, and then I'm back here to cold BC. It's about 4 degrees Celsius today in the sun. I've got my Mylar space blanket to keep me warm, and I realised, hang on, there's a rubbish antenna that I built out of metal tape, and I made this a full loop for 15 or 20 metres, I don't recall. But there's one antenna. So there's a rubbish antenna. When all else fails, you can basically wrap yourself up in a Mylar space blanket, but it also doubles as an antenna. And it made me think while I was on the aeroplane, and I want to do a huge shout out to my buddy Wes, Mr. Mudd's Radio Time. Huge inspiration, best mate in the world. G'day, Wes. He made a really great little clamp that you could basically clamp onto to anything and everywhere to make an antenna. And it led me to these little things. And these are going to be the RAS Absolute Essentials. And this is your ordinary vice grips here. And I've just put a little single mirror mount, trucker's mirror mount onto here. They're electrically conductive. I filed off all of the iodized paint, so we've got metal to metal, so I can basically clamp that onto anything. And if it's a straight, like a sign, I can do the signpost, clamp onto the signpost there. And this is very exciting. So this is the #1 tool that I recommend that we can build together, and this thing will get you on the air anywhere. And what I've actually got in the pipeline, guys, is I'm actually looking at getting myself a 27 meg sideband CB, so that we can absolutely cover all bases. So you're on 27 megs, what can you do? So guys, this is not just for ham radio enthusiasts. This is when everything else fails. What can you tune up? What can we make an emergency contact to when everything else fails? So thank you so much, guys. My name's Simon. If this is the first time to my channel, g'day. How you going, mates? Good to have you here. And if you're a return viewer, welcome back, mates. And if you haven't done so already, guys, please hit that like and subscribe, because your support fuels my passion and helps keep the inspiration alive. Rubbish Antenna Series for the win. Woohoo! It's HamJazz, over and out.